Welcome to this mini lecture on quoting. I know it's weird to hear my voice through the computer, but I figured this would be an easier way for you guys to understand what I'm talking about. So if you look up at the screen, you should be able to see my arrow pointing to things. Right now I'm looking at the claim, which I have highlighted in yellow. Alright, but today we're going to look right at the quotes. So if I asked you to watch this, it's because I noticed there's a couple things wrong with your quotes. Now, the first thing it could be is that when you were writing it down, you didn't write it word for word. I know I wrote down on a few people's papers that you have to make sure that you're writing down the quote word for word. So if it says, like in my second sentence, year round, schools go to school the same number of days, make sure you're writing down the same way they have it in the text. The second thing that I wanted to point out to you guys was that when you are quoting, you gotta make sure that you're telling me where you got it from. Now, I know that everyone is using the same article, but there are multiple paragraphs in this article, so please make sure you tell me what paragraph. Now, in my example that I have up here, there are two ways you can do that. One is that you can say, like in my second sentence, in paragraph 2, it states year-round schools go to school the same number of days. You can see how I have the quotes at the beginning and the end of what it says in the text. But how I started off tells me where I got that quote. So it makes it easier for the reader to look at the document where where you got it from to see that it is actually in paragraph 2. The second way is down in my fourth sentence, which is also in green. Alright, and this just shows that I wrote the entire quote out. I started off the sentence with quotes and end it with quotes, and then at the very end I put in parentheses what paragraph I got it from. In this case, I got this sentence from paragraph number 6. So, that is how I would like you guys to quote on your paper. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and let me know. Also, you can always rewind and listen to this again. Alright, thanks.